Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change in full service on your Volvo engine. This engine that we're going to be working on today is a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine that Volvo started using in their new platform in 2016, starting with the XC90, and today they are utilizing it in all their platforms. In America, or in North America, we're talking about the T5 engine and the T6 engine. They're both the same engines. The only difference is the T6, of course, as we've discussed previously, has a supercharger. So here we are today doing an oil change, and if you need any of the supplies for this job, please check out the links in the description below, as I've linked the supplies on Amazon for you to purchase to your house. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, step one, under here you'll see that there's a pan protecting the undercarriage of the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and just pull this down. Alright guys, step number two is to take a 17mm wrench to the pan and release the bulb. Alright guys, so here's the oil filter housing. I'm going to take a T40, go ahead and release the drain plug that's in the housing, release all the oil, and then I'll go ahead and pull the oil housing off, which is where the oil filter is. Here's the oil filter housing. I'm going to re-secure that drain plug, and then I'm going to go ahead and install the new filter. And pull the old gasket off of here. Alright guys, so put the new gasket on here. Right back into place. Okay. Take the filter and place it in the housing. It secures in there. Alright guys, last step is to put 5.3 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic in this engine. What are you bargaining at? What are you bargaining at? What are you bargaining at? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Whoa. Alright, Casey, so all the oil is done on the vehicle, right? Right? Huh? Huh? Come on. Sit. Sit. Do me a favor, sit. That's a good boy. Good boy. Paul? Yeah, oh, you're the best.